In this video, I'll show you how to add screen record on iPhone. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. At first, what you need to do, you need to head over to your iPhone settings, right? Click on this. Once I've clicked on this, scroll down gradually, you'd click on this control center, right? Once I've clicked on this control center, you'd see that I've added up this screen recording control option, right? I can still click on this and remove it. Once I've removed it, it will be added up amongst these other options. So what you need to do, if you want to add screen record on your iPhone, that is, once you swipe this down, you'll be able to see this option, right? What you need to do, you need to at first add up the screen recording option from these more control displayed options, right? If I click this, add this, click this, add this, add this, once I swipe down my iPhone screen, you see that these other control options has been added up right to my iPhone screen. So this is basically how you can add the screen record on your iPhone. You need to go to these more control options and add all the control options displayed on here, right? So as once you swipe down, you'll be able to access any of them easily. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below the comment section, share your questions below the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.